Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I haven't been posting on the channel pretty frequently or recently in that matter because the car was actually involved in a car accident and I've been rebuilding the car. This is, as of today, almost a month after the car accident. It would be exactly a week, or no, it'd actually be 2 days that would be the day of the exact car accident. But other than that, I've been rebuilding the car, and I want to start this series of rebuilding my car so you guys can watch. And I thought it'd be cool because there's not a lot of S197, or at least 05 through 09 content on rebuilds or anything like that going on. I think I've only ever watched one, and that's about as far as we get. So I think this would be amazing to show you guys the process of rebuilding it, and hopefully you guys can learn something from it as well. Anyways, speaking of that, as of today, everything for the car is in except for 2 brackets that I need in order to drive this car. But as of right now, I have everything, and the entire car is going to look different, entirely different. You guys are just going to have to stay tuned to see all of that. So if you guys would like, just make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. This is not like a plug or me telling you guys. I'm just saying if you guys want to keep updated, that's literally the best possibilities of you guys keeping updated. But yeah, cars are going to look completely different. I have everything. Literally everything. Today's video, though, is only going to be the car accident. I'm going to show you the videos that I took and the pictures, of course, for insurance purposes on the time that the accident did happen. Now, in the videos, it's quite obvious to see who was at fault or what happened, but the backstory behind of how it happened will not be revealed until the next video because it's not what it seems like. If you see this, you could assume a lot of things, but I guarantee that none of you guys are going to know the real backstory to actually how the car accident itself happened and who was really at fault, if that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, like I said, I would really appreciate any support I can get, and if anybody knows anything as I'm uploading this video and wants to give me a little bit of tips and tricks, that'd be amazing. But, you know, if not, I would always appreciate just a subscribe, a thumbs up, and just a comment. Anyways, we're going to get to the build, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this series as much as I am enjoying rebuilding this car. So, without further ado, I present to you guys part 1 of my 2006 Mustang GT rebuild. So boys, new series coming soon. This door doesn't open, by the way, so that's cool. The fender got too pushed in, so see it hits the fender and it won't come up, so that's cool. Gotta pull this back. Maybe just slight framework. Yeah. And this is the other car. Nothing's really done to his car at all. Literally nothing. I mean, he has a couple of scratches, and that's really it. But honestly, it could all be peeled off as you see it. It can literally just be taken off, and that could just be bolted back up. So nothing major. Nobody was hurt. Nobody's mad. We're all joking around, you know. Obviously trying to be serious with the cop. You know, that's the serious matter. But yeah. In terms of damages, though, the radiator. Everything got pushed back. So you see my reservoir, my radiator got pushed back, and headlight got a big crack on my windshield. The hood's in perfect condition, so yeah. All right, so everything just got settled. I'm gonna go ahead and drive my happy self back home. It doesn't look like there's too many radiator issues. I'm still like really close to cold, so yeah, let's go home. I just got it home. It started smoking, of course. I don't really have, you know, too much fluid going into my radiator because it's all busted up. You guys can't see the smoke, but I can. It's not super bad. But yeah, I got a nice little project on my hands, I guess. And well, yeah, there's my 2006 Mustang GT that was doing so well, so freaking well. And I'll just go over some of the damages later on in the video, and yeah, that's it. We'll go ahead and figure some stuff out.